Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings and then find the display and brightness. We will start with the customization of the eye comfort mode. So after tapping on it, we have to tap on eye protection, and we can of course turn it on without any kind of customization just by tapping on the switcher here. And you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. So we can customize it, just tap on it, and here, thanks to the switcher, we can change the intensity. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. We can also schedule it. The none option is the manual option, of course. We can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will basically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and then it will apply or turn off the eye protection, or we can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start time and the end time according to your own needs, and of course your device will apply the eye protection accordingly. So it's up to you, and basically this is the whole customization. And if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and now we have to find the icon connected with the eye protection, which is right here in my case. So let's simply tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. After tapping on it again, we can quickly turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.